Oh man, hands full. Got my rods here. Heading off to a good place, trust me. I love this pond. It rained like crazy last night, so the fish might have the food bag on. I'm looking forward to today. Man, it's been a drought. Fish have been not biting. Fish haven't been biting, but it finally rained. Hopefully, they're biting today. Please, son, if you can just do one thing for me, just stay behind those clouds. Okay, made it to the pond. I think it got a little bit higher with the rain, not much though. This is where I caught my 4-pounder. I hope that I mean, it's bittersweet. I really hope to catch a huge fish, but I don't have my scale on me. This is the one time I don't have my scale on me, and I have a feeling that I might catch a big fish today. I don't know. Let's just go catch some fish. Enjoy the video, guys. Little. Wicked little, wow. Oh, it's fine. All right. First fish. Look at how tiny that guy is. Little joker. Not skunked. Let's keep on chugging. Got him. Time to call it quits. A lot of hits, one fish, tiny fish, sadly. But it's time to go to pond number 2. Got him. Oh yeah. This little fish, he annihilated the frog. Another little dink, but you know, what are you gonna do? You gotta take what you can get. One fish, one small fish is better than no fish. See you later, dude. Oh man, what a rough day. Holy crap. I'm probably just as shocked as you guys are. I don't know. I just don't. Sometimes this is what fishing is, and it sucks. But it's days when you catch 3+ pounders that make up for it. So guess what, guys? I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry it wasn't the best one, but I post 2 times a week. I mean, I can't catch freaking 5-pounders, even though I've never caught a 5-pounder. Please, in the future, please give me a 5-pounder. I've caught a lot of 4.5s. I just really want a 5-pounder, but I'm getting off track. I'm babbling. Point is, I can't catch amazing fish every time I go fishing. Yeah, so, you know, I think I'm gonna end it here. Have a wonderful day, guys. Well, night, I'm posting it at night. Just depends on what I'm babbling again. I'll see you guys on the next one.